This 5000 BTU air conditioner for window-mounted installation is what you need to efficiently cool your apartment, bedroom, living room, or any environment. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Functionality. Cools a room up to 150 square feet with dehumidification up to 1.3 pints per hour. Number 2. Temperature sensing. Follow me, remote control. With a thermostat built into the remote control, say goodbye to uneven room temperatures. The remote makes it easier to control the unit from anywhere in the room, and its integrated thermostat signals the AC to cool the space based on where you are. Number 3. Energy Star rated cooling. Energy Star efficiency saves you money on your electric bill, 12.1 EER. Number 4. 6.5 feet LCDI power cord with NEMA, 5 to 15p plug uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.